you and your partner looking to earn extra income together in 2025? In this video, we'll explore 8 of the best side hustles for couples to boost their earnings and strengthen their bond. Before diving in, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on making money together. Let's get started. 1. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel as a couple can be both fun and profitable. You can share your experiences, hobbies, or daily routines. Whether it's cooking, traveling, or DIY projects, there's an audience for your content. With consistency and creativity, you can grow your subscriber base and start earning through ads and sponsorships. Remember, authenticity is key. Share your genuine experiences, and your audience will connect with you. 2. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is a great way to generate passive income. As a couple, you can create ebooks, printables, or online courses based on your skills and interests. For example, if one of you is good at budgeting, you can create a budgeting planner. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to sell digital products to a wide audience. Once your products are created and listed, they can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. 3. Start a blog. Blogging is another excellent side hustle for couples. You can write about topics you're passionate about, such as parenting, travel, or home improvement. By consistently publishing quality content, you can attract readers and monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. It takes time to build an audience, but with dedication, blogging can become a significant source of income. 4. Offer freelance services. If you and your partner have marketable skills, offering freelance services can be a lucrative side hustle. Services like graphic design, writing, or social media management are in high demand. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Working together, you can divide tasks based on your strengths, making your freelance business more efficient and profitable. 5. Launch an online store. Launching an online store allows you to sell products directly to consumers. You can sell handmade items, vintage finds, or dropship products. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy provide the tools needed to set up your store. A couple, you can manage different aspects of the business, such as product creation, marketing, and customer service, making it a collaborative effort. 6. Provide virtual assistance. Virtual assistance is a flexible side hustle that involves helping businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer support. If you and your partner are organized and detail-oriented, you can offer these services to clients remotely. This side hustle allows you to work from home and set your own schedules, making it ideal for couples seeking flexibility. 7. Rent out property or space. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent a room or your entire home to travelers. Alternatively, you can rent out storage space or parking spots. This side hustle can generate significant income with minimal effort, especially if you live in a high-demand area. 8. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be a rewarding side hustle. Many pet owners need reliable caregivers for their pets while they're away. You can offer these services in your local community or through platforms like Rover. It's a flexible way to earn extra income while spending time with furry friends. Before we wrap up, here are some final bonus tips to help you grow your side hustle as a couple. First, talk openly. Plan things ahead. Decide who will do what. Clear communication helps avoid problems. Second, stay organized. Use a shared calendar or to-do list. It keeps you on track and saves time. Third, celebrate small wins. Every little success matters. Even earning your first dollar is a big step. Keep learning. Watch videos, take free courses, and follow people who know more. The more you learn, the faster you grow. Be patient. Side hustles take time. Don't give up if results are slow. Stay focused and support each other. Even if you start small, you're building something powerful. Small steps lead to big change. Start with what you have. You don't need much money or fancy tools. Just start. Believe in each other. Stay consistent. Try one hustle, learn from it, and grow as a team. So, these were 8 of the best side hustles for couples in 2025. Try new ideas. Be open to change. Keep learning and improving. Success will come with time. Just don't stop. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Keep hustling and good luck on your journey.